Alright, today we are going to graph a line from the slope intercept equation. So, first thing we do is identify the y-intercept. That's going to be our constant term. In this problem, it's -2. Then we put a point on the y-axis at -2. Next, we identify the slope. Here, there is no coefficient for x, but there is one x there, so there is this imaginary 1. Our slope is rise over run, so it always has to be written as a fraction, so we're just going to put that 1 over 1. Since the numerator is positive, we're going to go up. Since the denominator is positive, we move to the right. So from our y-intercept, we go up 1 to the right 1. And since those are so close together, I'm going to put a couple of them. Then we just connect the dots. And we've graphed our line. Let's try another one. Number 2. Start by identifying the y-intercept. It's the constant term, which here is +2. So I put a point on the y-axis at +2. Next, we identify the slope, which is the coefficient of x. So here our slope m is 6, but we need it to be a fraction, so we're going to say 6 over 1. Since 6 is positive, we're going to move up. Since 1 is positive, we're going to move to the right. When I do that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm going to go all the way off this graph. That's pretty ugly. I'm not sure if it's going to be correct, so I'm going to do the opposite of both the numerator and the denominator, because negative divided by negative is positive, which means I'm going to go down 6 and I'm going to move to the left 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, and I have a point here. So when I connect the dots, my line should go through all 3 points.